Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up for GitHub. Before moving forward, GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere you want. To sign up for GitHub, go to your web browser and type in github.com. Search and you'll be taken to the official website of GitHub, which looks like this. To sign up for GitHub, tap on Sign up for GitHub. Type in a username for your account. If the username is available, you'll see a message that says the following username is available and a green tick mark at the right side. On the next field, enter an email address. After you do that, enter the password for your GitHub account. After setting your password, if you want emails on occasional product updates, announcements, and offers, tap on the box. To verify your account, complete the task given below. After you're done, tap Create Account. After you do that, you'll be able to create a new GitHub account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.